Hi, I'm Taylor, and I'm going to show you my 5.5-month-old dog, or puppy, I guess. Jazz. She's a golden doodle. She's so cute. Here, Jazz. Here. Wanna come here? She knows lots of tricks. Look her face. Yes, she's very cute. She's very cute. Look at the people. And she loves people, don't you? She loves people. She loves getting pets. Now she knows tricks too. Stand up. Okay. Stand up. Come on. Okay, sit. Oh, so stand up. Back up. Come on. Sit. Okay. Stay. 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 Okay, come. Yeah. Yes, good girl. Now sometimes she gets some sit and lay down stuff. But really Jazz, we'll call her Jazz. Okay, Jazz, you do. Okay now. Bye me. Bye me. Bye me.